Hey everyone, the name's Erik Thor and I want to make a video about the INTJ personality type. And I know I haven't made a lot of videos about INTJ so far, but here goes the INTJ. Using existential intelligence, introvert intuition as their dominant function, as their biggest passion in life. They are, you could say, subjective types first and foremost. They, instead of looking at objective reality, look at a model of objective reality as derived from their own mind. Yes, INTJs love to conceptualize, envision, and using the five senses inside of them to form a reality like our own. And the way INTJs work is they use this model, this concept of reality, to speculate on how reality looks or might come to look in the future. It can project, based on these inner models, what will happen in the future, what is likely to occur, and how society and how reality is going and is subject to change. Now, a lot of the time, using this model, one of the key things you gain is perspective. Yes, you can flip, while you can't detach from your own body in reality, in your own mind, you can flip and organize and see your own reality from multiple perspectives. You can see what it would look like from different people by imagining what, on approximate scale, this might shape or form for another person. So something that I noticed is INTJs actually show up a lot as producers of movies, like for example Christopher Nolan in Inception. Here you see in this reality constructed by Christopher Nolan how he can use and blend the dreamscape, the dream world, and how he imagines it in its own head, how he imagines all the different rules. Yes, the interesting thing about INTJs that separate them from INFJs is they have extroverted thinking as their second function. Extroverted thinking provides some kind of guidance or a moral dogma on introvert intuition. According to an INTJ, the world that you have inside you has to bend according to some kind of rules and systems. A lot of the time the concepts envisioned by INTJs are based on systems and models of systems. That's why I call the INTJ the system developer. They conjure up ideas of systems and how different systems could be used to manage reality, manage, shape and form reality. And so you get this very interesting scenario. Basically, with introverted intuition, reality can become however freaky you want it to be. So look at, for example, Doctor Strange, the movie, which is directed by an INTJ. You'll find that even though Benedict Cumberbatch is probably an INFJ, the reality he lives in is a reality envisioned by an INTJ producer, a reality where everything is constantly bound to changes, where everything is constantly following some kind of abstract rules far beyond what science and what everybody believes to be true. Yes, this reality has no basis on folklore or folk theory and how science should work or how reality should work. Instead, this INTJ makes us a habit to imagine multiple dimensions with different rules. They conjure up and they use this new form of magic to bend and shape reality. And perhaps that's why some people call INTJs the archetypal wizards. Of course, there is no magic in the real world. And, well, probably there isn't. But INTJs somehow come the closest to creating something like magic in reality. Because they rely so much on formulas and science to bend and shape reality and to form some kind of rule, some kind of idea on how reality will progress. Yes, I find INTJs fascinated with speculating about how the economy, the society, and everything around us should function. They can imagine new systems that nobody has ever made before to manage politics, to manage economy, to manage resources. They can use these theories to alter reality and power dynamics in society. And so you get the new form, a specific form of philosophy. If introvert intuition is a very philosophical function, then with extroverted thinking, with the help of extroverted thinking, you get these philosophers who conjure up systems very raw, very concrete forms of systems, and that's perhaps why they aren't always recognized as philosophers. Because they are actually constantly trying to bind introvert intuition with economy, with money, with science, with some kind of formal system. They seem to be a lot more real than the INFJ, who speculates more on a moral scale, more on a conceptual, social scale. And so you get two different personality types. The INTJ is the system developer. The INFJ is the existential philosopher. That's all I have to say for now. I hope you enjoyed this video about INTJs, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you all for watching, and please like and subscribe after you're finished.